Okay, we got our cylinder set in our fixture, our jig, and then bolted to that, and then the fixture clamped into the vise. We got our square, and then I wanted to show you right away here what we found out. So this is a good used steel OEM cylinder, and if you notice right here, there's still some gasket material on here. Now I already took, maybe half a thousandths or a thousandths off. So you can see that that's kind of a good reason to have a gasket on there instead of going without a base gasket, because you're going to be able to, in stock form, that gasket will compress more here than it does here and still complete the seal and give you a little bit of leeway. But we'll have this milled out here, and we're going to take this gasket here is 2.5 thousandths. So we're going to shoot for about 4 or 5 thousandths total taken off of here.